Now in this video, we are going to discuss exercise 20.1. It's question number 1. 140 people at a school fundraising event were asked to guess how many sweets were in a large glass jar. Those who guessed correctly were put into a draw to win the sweets as a prize. The table shows the guesses. Number of sweets represented by n, and the intervals are 100 till 200. Then starting from 200 plus till 250 and so on. The frequency is actually telling the number of people who have answered within this range. Like 18 people answered that there were that sweets which lie within this range, 100 till 200. So this is the data. Part A says use the table to calculate the frequency density for each class. Okay. Since for the frequency density, we know that the formula for the frequency density is frequency divided by the class width. So that means I need to have class width as well. So I need to have class width column. Then class width from this 100 till 200. This is 200 or rather 100. Then this is 50, 250 till 300. This is again 50, then 50, then 50, and then this is going to be 100. So we have constructed this class width. So now I need to have the frequency density. For the frequency density, I need to have this formula, frequency divided by class width. So frequency is 18 in this case. I need to divide it by the class width, which is 100. So this will give me 0.18. Now this frequency is 18 again, and the class width is 50. So dividing them up, what do we get? 18 divided by 50. That will give us 18 divided by 50, 0.36. Similarly, this is 32, the frequency, and its width is 50. So that will give me 32 divided by 50, 0.64. So this is now 31 divided by 50. That will be 0.62. This is 21 divided by 50, which will be 0.42. And then this is 20 divided by 100, which is 0.2. So we are done with the calculation of frequency densities. So we are done with part A. So this is the answer to part A. Okay. Now in part B, we are asked to construct a histogram to display the results. Use a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 100 sweets on the horizontal axis and a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 0.2 units on the vertical axis. Okay. For that, let me draw it like this. This one and then this one. Okay. What I'm going to choose is something. I need to start from 100. So 100 till, let this be a gap of 100, another 100, another 100, another 100, and then another 100. So, and for y, I need to have 1 unit. Like this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Okay, let me now label them. That means it is going to be 100. If I start from 100, this would be 200, or in such type of data, when it is something not starting from zero, it's better if we can do it in another way as well. And that way is to have something which is like this. If I erase this one and I start it from a bit behind like this, and then at this part, I need to do this thing. That means it is a continuation. It is not starting from zero, rather it is starting from a later point. So this is 100 starting like that, and the rest is the same. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So let me erase these values. Okay, then it is uh, the labeling 200, then 300, 400, and then 500. Okay, now in between I've got a gap of 50. So 400 I've got the same. Then it is 200 till 250. This is 250. Then this is 350. This is going to be 450, and so on. And for the y-axis, I need to label it 0 0.2, 0 0.4, 0 0.6, 0 0.8, and that's it. I would be needing this much height. Okay. Then I just need to draw the histogram now. The histogram is going to be for the first class, 100 till 200. The frequency density is 0 0.18. So 0 0.18 would be here. So its height is going to be like this. So this is the height of the first bar up till 0 0.18. And don't forget that you have got frequency density along the y-axis. Frequency density is there along the y-axis. So this along the x-axis, that gives you sweets. Represented by n. Okay. Then for the second bar, okay, its width is 200 till 250, and its frequency density is 0 0.36. So 0 0.36 would be, this is 0 0.3, in between 0 0.2 and 0 0.4, and then above that like this. So let me give its height till 0 0.36, and it is to be kept till 250. So this is 250. That's it. Then thirdly, 250 till 300, and its height or the frequency density has to be 0 0.64. So from this 0 0.6 till 0 0.64, somewhere around here. Then this one, and then its height is up till 300. So that's it. And then the fourth one, its length is 300 till 350, and the frequency density is 0.62. So it would be somewhere here, and then this, and then the next one, 350 till 400. 350 till 400, and its frequency density is 0.42. So 0.4 is here. So 0.42 will be here. And its length is 350 till 400. So this is 400. And finally, from 400 till 500, the frequency density is 0.2. From 400 till 500, the frequency density is 0.2. 0.2 is here. So let me draw this one. So that is the complete histogram of this question part B.